Today, let's talk about this less than 200 pesos transfer-proof bullet lipstick from FOCALLURE. Meron na namang bagong lipstick ang FOCALLURE. 7 yung shades na meron dito and I have 6. For product claims, this one according to them is number 1, transfer-proof. Second, pigmented. Matte yung finish. Number 4, creamy yung texture. And 5, long-lasting. This is how the packaging looks like. Very minimalist and simple. Twist to open siya, which I love. Mas safe and secured yung product inside kasi hindi siya basta-bastang bumubukas. And look at the details sa actual lipstick. Naka-emboss yung logo. And of course, at the bottom, we have the lipstick shade. Ito yung texture ng lipstick. As you can see, very creamy. On my lips is NU01. And I love this one so much. Ang ganda ng kulay, what the hell. Medyo kinapalan ko lang yung application, but this one right here, guys, if you're gonna do blotted lips, sobrang perfect. Kasi kapag ka light application, very MLBB lang siya. Rosy nude color, ganun. This is such a nice shade and I feel like maraming skin tone na pwedeng gumamit dito. Again, this one is NU01 and I can see myself reaching for this one a lot. My kind of color, it is just so pretty. Love at first swipe. This one is NU02. And sobrang perfect ng color niya sa eye makeup ko today. Medyo intimidating siya sa tube. Akala ko hindi ko magugustuhan, but once I applied it on my lips, I love it. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga may lips but better shade, na mga peachy yung undertone, this one right here, okay siya. And hindi ako makaget over, guys, kasi sobrang nag-compliment talaga sa eye makeup ko. Again, if you love nude lippies, especially yung mga peachy, brownish type of nude, NU02, great option. This is NU03, and it's so nice as well. And I love this one kasi it's not too bright, hindi rin naman super dark. And actually, medyo malapit siya sa kulay ng inner lip ko, if manonotice nyo. It makes me super happy kasi I can wear this. I feel like bagay sa akin. Sa kahit anong eye makeup look, for sure, magagamit ko to. Definitely one of those shades na kailangan meron ko sa collection mo kasi it's a staple, sobrang universal, you can use it day to night. If you feel like yung NU01 masyado pang bright for your liking, NU03 baka magustuhan nyo. This one is PK01. Honestly, at first, akala ko hindi ko magugustuhan because when you look at it sa bullet, parang sobrang pale niya and medyo off yung pagka-pink. But on the lips, it looks really good kasi ginawa niyang maaliwalas yung lips. It's bright, definitely, but not too bright, diba? Sobrang wearable ng pagka-pink and I feel like this one, especially if mestiza or maputi, bagay na bagay. I don't know, parang sobrang lakas kasi maka-sweet and feminine, diba? Soft girl, baby girl, ganun yung atake, ganun yung vibes. So yeah, for me, I like this one too. Very impressive color selection, guys. So far, wala pang tapon. This one is PK02. Another pink color na very wearable and hindi intimidating. So basically, if you feel like yung PK01 too light for your liking, this one, baka magustuhan nyo. Maganda yung pagka-pink niya, hindi siya intimidating even though you can see na talagang pigmented and rich yung kulay. And same with PK01, diba? Sobrang bright, sobrang aliwalas ng face tingnan with this kind of color. Ang ganda na pagka-rosy pink ng color. And yan, for your reference, guys, this one is PK01 and this is PK02, which is on my lips. PK01 is actually more of a salmon color. Final shade, PK03. This one right here, obviously, is the darkest sa tatlong pink. But as you guys can see, ang ganda din ng shade. Oh my God. Walang tapon, guys. I'm so happy with the color selection. For those of you na naghahanap ng dark pink shade na pwede nyo gamitin even for daytime or any time of the day. Not naman dark in a sense na super deep ng kulay. It's just that, you know, mas saturated siya compared again sa first two. Eto guys, again, PK03 might be the perfect option for you. And I feel like super nice din na to kapag ka naka-minimal makeup ka lang because diba as you can see, talagang sobrang mafo-focus talaga sa lip because it is a pop of color. For less than 200 pesos, this is a nice lippy. First claim is pigmented, which is definitely true because one swipe lang, opaque na and talaga nag-show up yung color with this. I mean, just look at that, oh, diba? Sobrang pigmented niya, guys. Claim number 2 is matte yung finish. And I think very obvious naman, walang shine, hindi siya satin at all, completely flat matte. So for those of you na naghahanap ng matte bullet lipstick, you might want to check this one out from FOCALLURE. Claim number 3, yung formula ng lipstick is creamy matte. And here is a proof na creamy talaga siya. It applies like a dream. True to its claim, creamy and smooth texture. Another claim dito is transfer proof, so let's put it to the test. So I have here a very clean tissue. As you can see, sobrang walang spot, sobrang linis, white na white. Ayan, madiin yan guys ah. Look at that. Look at that. Zero transfer. And my lips, as you can see, yung product sobrang intact pa din and talagang nakadikit lang sa lips. Even yung edges, hindi nag-fade, hindi nag-budge. So, definitely transfer proof. Ito yung back of my hand. Ayan, diniinan ko guys. And as you can see, zero transfer. Malinis na malinis, diba? Try din natin sa baso. Ayan guys. Look at that. Lahat ng corners, malinis na malinis. Try din natin i-kiss yung baso. Ayan guys. Look at that. Zero transfer. So, check na yung transfer proof. Totoo yung claim nila na hindi nagta-transfer. And finally, last claim dito sa product is long-lasting. I have been talking for quite a while, but as you can see, yung lipstick ko, sobrang intact pa din. Walang nag-fade. Hindi nag-flake sa inner corner, sa inner rim. And actually, nung binubura ko yung sinuswatch ko, guys, I had to use an oil-based makeup remover pa para mabura siya. So, for sure, long-lasting to. But, of course, keep in mind, kapag kumain kayo ng oily food, for sure, mababawasan siya. For favorites, at yung aking top 4. NU01, NU02, NU03, PK01. Application, hindi naman ako nagka-problem, guys, kasi very creamy nga yung formula niya, and once na nag-touch sa skin yung product, it becomes softer, so mas mabilis siyang i-apply. Feeling is very comfortable sa lips. I mean, you can feel na merong product, which is expected na because this is a matte and cream formula, so mafe-feel mo talaga, especially kapag ka naka-layer, but it's not heavy at all, guys. Feels just like any other matte bullet lipsticks. Anyway, that is it for today's video. And of course, if you wanna try this lipstick, just check my description box. Ililink ko tong product. For less than 200, I love it. Maganda yung quality niya. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits sa susunod!